Roberto Escobar, brother of infamous cocaine trafficker Pablo Escobar, and who, according to EscobarInc.com, was the former accountant / chief of assassinations for the notorious Medellin Cartel, is also the founder of Escobar Inc. His company recently unveiled what they're touting as the replacement to the iPhone. That's right, for $349, you can head to their website and purchase the Escobar Fold 1, a foldable smartphone that Escobar claims will not break, which would contrast with some of the issues encountered by the Samsung Galaxy Fold unveiled earlier this year. He cites a special type of high-resolution plastic that is more durable than previous foldable models. The price point is also lower because, according to an interview with Digital Trends, Escobar cut the networks and retailers to sell to customers directly. It even comes with free shipping and a complimentary cover. Then again, value is what you'd expect from a guy who reportedly spent $2,500 a month on rubber bands to handle all the cash flowing through the cartel. He may also be targeting a specific kind of user based on comments about the phone's security. Roberto has made statements about an exterior metal coating that won't allow near-person communications like Bluetooth or other technologies like RFID to access the device. He also states the phone is more difficult for governments to access than Apple or Samsung offerings. Additional features of the Android-driven phone include a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 series processor, a 16-megapixel camera, two 7.8-inch flexible AM OLED screens, a fingerprint sensor, and a multi-axis gyro. The Escobar Fold 1 is available in 128 and 512 gigabyte sizes, with the second option selling for $499. It's worth noting that Escobar Inc. cites earnings of over $100 billion from intellectual property, which includes over 50 trademarks and copyrights, and asset management since it was founded in 1984, about 9 years before Pablo died. For those looking to order at the company's website, be careful before clicking on some of the informational videos. Roberto's use of the Escobar girls is about what you might expect. I'm Jeff Ranke, and this is IEN Now.